Well, Q, I'm here in the kitchen with Q, y'all, and she is fixing up the last of her recipes that she's here today to share with us. Hopefully she'll come back. I hope so. You are doing the white chocolate brownies.
Yes, yes.
I am all in on this one. Poor Teresa. Teresa does the shopping for our recipes. How many stores did you go to find white chocolate? White chocolate. Is that a
Pudding.
cheesecake?
No,
or
it's
just
just
pudding?
a white chocolate pudding.
Pudding.
I went
White
to 3.
You sound so happy
Well, I
about it.
read, I read the directions wrong to begin with, so I bought chocolate pudding, not white chocolate pudding. So I had to go back and correct myself, and that was not as easy as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, she.
Oh, goodness.
Sometimes she can be hard-headed too. Also.
So we're going to start with super moist white cake mix. That's all you need.
Okay.
If you choose to use a
Okay.
different brand,
Okay.
that's fine. But white cake mix is the kicker.
Okay. I love recipes that start with a cake mix because
All right. And
we
it's
know
2
they're
of
going to be
these.
doable.
Right, exactly.
So this is going to make a big old pan of brownies,
It
isn't it?
will. Well, it'll be thick just enough. It won't be thin. It'll be thick like your brownies should be. So we're going to do that.
Okay.
And then we're going to add 2 boxes of the white chocolate.
That's hard to find.
That's hard to find.
I can't believe the big grocery store out here didn't have it. Oh, I didn't get it all either. What is that stuck in that bottom?
Okay. She won't go behind me this time.
Ain't nothing left in that box.
See. So we're going to begin to fold. We're going to fold in some white chocolate chips. I had about a half
a cup, looks like. And you got some vegetable oil.
I do.
And that's 3/4 of a cup, it looks like.
2/3.
2/3. Yeah, yeah, that's what it is.
We're going to do 2/3 2 times.
Would you like me to beat these eggs for you? Or?
So you need 2/3
So you
more.
did need a cup
Now
and a
is why you
third.
need the cup and a...
Yeah. So we add... I hope that all the people work for me watch this so they can understand why I say make sure you get every drop.
Q, I can't.
Expert even says that.
So 1/3 more cup.
2/3.
I can't help it, Q.
She's got it.
You know, if you've
Don't
ever,
say about the drippings and the
if you've
last little
ever,
bit, all of that, yes, ma'am.
yeah, if you've ever been without Q.
So it's 2/3 of vegetable oil.
So that's actually a 1 1/3 cup.
Yes.
1 1/3 cup.
Yes.
Look at all of us with those great math minds calculating in our heads.
Really, y'all get me?
Yes.
Because I don't.
So what I was saying, if you've ever been without, it makes you very conscious
Of throwing away stuff.
of throwing away stuff. Yes. Are you ready for your eggs?
I am.
And I asked if you want me to beat them, but I didn't hear an answer, so I just beat them anyway. Hope that's okay.
We'll take it.
Now, do you need the hand mixer for this, Q?
No, you just fold these.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. You just fold them. Mm-hmm. And they'll come together. And then, once you fold them, get it all done. Mix it together. See this?
Oh, my goodness.
And it's going to come together just like a brownie mix. Like it should. And it's going to end up being really good brownie texture. When I make these at the shop, Q's Cakes, they absolutely love them. This is sort of a treat. I don't make this particular brownie every day. So they'll be glad to see this video. So they can make this at home. Yes. That's why
No chocolate, no milk chocolate in it or anything. It's all white chocolate.
White chocolate. And this is a recipe that I came up with on my own.
So you formulated this.
I formulated.
And did I hear you say that you spray this?
Yes, I spray the pan.
You hadn't sprayed it though,
I
right?
have not.
Okay. I will do that for you, Miss Sheffy.
I appreciate it. We are ready.
Oh, here's my other spatula. I like it because it's, yeah, and my Aunt Peggy gave this to me.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I like it. What is this?
My bracelet.
Oh, is that your, what bracelet is that? I have one, but it kept coming unscrewed.
Mine too.
Your Tiffany.
Oh, well,
No,
wait, this
it's a
one's shut.
Cartier.
Yeah, what is supposed to be an I love you bracelet or something like that? Well, anyway, it fell off your arm.
It did. That's okay.
And I would hate to have to wear it. Keep it and wear it.
So I'm just putting this in the pan evenly.
Mm-hmm. So you patting it in there.
Yes. This is a lot of goodness right here.
Oh, Lord, have mercy. How many
Yes.
calories?
Ooh, be quiet.
I know it. Shut up, Paula.
All right, so we're going to put this in the oven for about 25 minutes.
You think that'll cook in 25 minutes, Q?
Mm-hmm.
What temperature? 350?
350.
I don't know what to say about this. White chocolate brownies. They're beautiful. And Q just took her white chocolate chips and she put 2 tablespoons of oil in it and heated it in the microwave until the consistency is just right. So let's get our straw. And have a sip.
I know, right?
No,
So we're gonna pour.
Uh-huh.
And she's
Look.
spraying.
Oh, gosh. Now, how many chips was that?
One, was it a 9-ounce bag?
It was a 12-ounce.
12-ounce bag.
12-ounce
We
bag.
used the half a cup to go into the brownie, and
Okay.
then the remainder of the bag mixed
Is
back.
here.
Perfect.
Okay, I got to turn this plate around, but it's going to be so, oh, thank you. It's going to be so hot. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Now, when did you formulate this? Have you had it a long time?
I've had it a long time.
Holy moly. Okay. Do you need this to get it all out with, or? So you know what?
What do you think?
I'd probably add some nuts on top now. I would love some nuts. Give me that cup, girl. You know I got to clean that thing out. Uh-oh, you still got a lot. You think? It's too much. How about that, Q? Now it may be too much. I'm sorry, I can't help it.
Yeah, she needs a straw.
Now, you know we got some more if you want it.
It's something you told me to remind you to say.
What did I? Oh. I know what it is. I asked you to remind me. Q has joined me for sharing 3 of her recipes with me. But when we first started out, we did just a video of us talking and her sharing a little bit of her story with you. So I hope, so this will be the 4th video, 3 cooking and 1 talking with Q. And I do hope y'all will make sure that you see all 4 of them. And if you're ever in Albany, drop in to see her and see her vending machine.
Yes, at Q's Cakes, done the old-fashioned way.
And it's in Northwest Albany.
It is 2700 Dawson Road, Suite 17. Yes.
And oh my goodness, this looks so good. So what do you think about the nuts?
I think
And
you
some
can add
nuts.
toasted nuts to it if you like, and it would be amazing. I've done it before at home.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Ooh, ooh. I just love nuts.
I do too.
I think they add so much to it. And the older I get, the more I'm kind of leaning towards walnuts.
You like walnuts? Baby?
I love
I
walnuts.
like pecans.
Pecans, yeah.
Okay, pecans.
Pecans. So you say pecans. It just depends on what you learned as a child, I guess, doesn't it?
It does.
What your mom and daddy called it. Yes, I think I put it back in here, Q.
Okay.
Somewhere, I think I did.
Can we use this?
Yes, that one.
Yeah.
That one's hard for me to see right there. Oh, so something. Holy camoly. Now, is this one going to be too hot for me to eat as well? So something else Eddie was sharing with me. Oh my goodness, look at this stuff. Look at that stuff.
It almost looks like a gooey butter.
I know.
What was Eddie sharing
Wow.
with you?
Whap. Make you slap your friend. Eddie was telling me that somebody said that I say his name too much. And I knew that. I know that I'm saying it too much. You think it's too much on these videos? You ain't seen nothing till we turn the camera off. Eddie! 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 If I can't get him that way, I'll call him on the telephone. But so you're exactly right. Whoever said that out there, and I'm trying to be conscious of not saying that word too much anymore.
And no more hate emails.
Yeah, no. Let me tell y'all, this tastes like a warm glazed donut.
It sure does. It sure does.
That is it. And if you like warm glazed donuts, you're going to love Q's recipe for white chocolate brownies.
It's amazing.
It sure is. Q,
So make sure.
you ought to open a bakery.
You ought to come to Albany more often. Q's Cakes done the old-fashioned way. Mixing it up with Miss Q on my YouTube channel. Y'all check me out. I'm learning from the best. Thank you.
Who are you talking about?
This lady right here, her name Paula Deen.
Her name's Shaka Khan. She'll drive you anywhere for a squash casserole. Right?
Yes.
Love and best dishes, y'all. I've had a wonderful time with you girls.
We've enjoyed our day today, too.
Had such a wonderful time.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for going to the trouble of formulating the recipes for us and for getting Shaka Khan to drive you over here.
Thank you.
Bye. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.